Botswana. Botswana is a country located in southern Africa. It hosts a population of about 2 million and is a landlocked country. Its capital and largest city is Gaborone. It was once one of the poorest countries in the world. However, over the years, it has risen to become one of the fastest growing economies.
Want to go on a trip? Friends are busy? Need a travel companion? Don't worry, now you can connect with travelers traveling to the same destination on Exceeders.com. All you need to do is join your city club and publish your trip plan with travel dates and place you are planning to visit. That's it. Verified tourists, travelers, and backpackers looking for travel partners to the same destination will contact you.
Best time to visit Botswana? The best time to visit Botswana is between the months May end to September. How to get to Botswana? Air. Botswana is served by Sir Seretse Khama Airport, located in Gaborone. Bus. There is regular bus service from Johannesburg to Gaborone, which takes 6 hours. There is also service from Windhoek. Botswana transportation. You can travel within Botswana by train, bus and car. Accommodation in Botswana. There are various options for accommodation in Botswana. Budget hotels will cost you about 200 to 350 Botswanan pula. Mid-range hotels will cost you about 400 to 600 pula. If you are looking for luxury accommodation, then it will cost you upwards of 700 pula. Must try signature dishes of Botswana. You must try these local dishes: seswa, moroga, and sorghum porridge. Best places to eat in Botswana: Courtyard Restaurant, Thorn Tree, Old House, Bull and Bush Pub, Beef Baron, Sports Bar and Restaurant, Cafe Dijon, Bonaravi, Rodizio, Coffee and Curry, Mostana Arts Cafe, Hillary's, French Connection, Spur Steak Ranch, Savannah, and Lion's Den Restaurant. Interesting facts about Botswana. Botswana is the world's 3rd biggest diamond producer. Botswana has the 2nd highest AIDS or HIV rate behind Swaziland. Botswana has set aside 17% of their land as nature reserves, 7% more than the recommended. Botswana is Africa's longest surviving democracy. Most Botswana diamonds are mined by the Desboana Company. Top tourist sites in Botswana. Chobe National Park. It is located in the Okavango Delta and spreads over 4 distinct ecosystems. Especially the Savuti Marsh has one of the highest concentrations of wildlife in Africa. There are about 120,000 elephants in the region and also herds of zebras, eland, buffalo, giraffe, and wildebeest. Okavango Delta. The Okavango River cuts through the Kalahari Desert, creating a unique inland water system which attracts many wildlife. You can also view wildlife in the Okavango Delta in a traditional canoe called Amokoro. Sodilo Hills. The Sodilo Hills, you can say, is a spiritual outdoor art gallery and displays more than 4,000 ancient San Bushman rock paintings. It covers over 400 sites that display hunting scenes, animals, and dances. Amongst these are some rocks that date back over 20,000 years. Saipan National Park. It is a perfect location for a safari. The park houses beautiful sand dunes and the famous Baines baobabs. Herds of ungulates visit the region for the short grasses that grow in the region. The park also hosts a variety of wildlife and birds. Tuli Block. Tuli Block borders South Africa and Zimbabwe, at the point where the Limpopo and Shashi rivers meet. The wildlife area was once a private farm, and it was only a few decades ago that the farm was made into a wildlife zone. Galagadi Transfrontier Park. The park sees a lot of migration of wildlife in its region during the rainy seasons. The park is relatively new and it encompasses two parks, the Kalahari Gemsbok National Park and Gemsbok National Park. Mokolodi Game Reserve. It is located a short drive away from Gaborone. It is a private reserve and it works towards conservation education. Many school children visit the reserve for various field trips. Amongst the highlights in the reserve include rhino tracking. Also, the reserve runs a successful rhino breeding program. Moremi Game Reserve. The reserve is located in the eastern Okavango Delta. The reserve is particularly known for its vast variety of birds. It hosts over 500 species of birds. Besides this, it also hosts a wide variety of wildlife. It is best to visit the reserve between July to October. Kama Rhino Sanctuary. The sanctuary was founded in 1992. It was built to save endangered animals from extinction and to reintroduce wildlife to the area so as to generate tourists. The sanctuary also educates students about preservation and wildlife when they come for field trips.